Hello and welcome to this video about Dubmaster AI. I must say something very strange has gone on with Dubmaster AI. I did my original review and you can see that here, and I could not get a video to download. And then I just tried again with another language yesterday and I could get the video to download. It's all very odd. So I'm going to give it another go and let's see what happens. So I'm going to go to Dub New Video and I need to enter my link. Now this link is not one of my videos. Interestingly, this is a video from Indonesia. It's in Indonesian language and it's not available in English. So I'm going to go down here to Indonesia and I'm going to dub it into English so that I can understand it, because that's one thing I haven't done so far is see what happens on the reverse. I'm going to go for English GB and I'm going to go for the whole video. So I'm going to click dub video. So I'm going to come back once that video has been downloaded and it's set itself up in Dubmaster AI. So that didn't take very long, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on screen how long it actually took. This is clearly Indonesian and this is clearly English, and I'm happy with that. So I'm going to pick a voice. And again, I'm going to go for English GB. These voices I've seen before. Let's go with George. So I'm going to now click submit translation. And again, there's going to be a bit of a process here and I will come back once that's done and I will put up on the screen how long that took. Okay, so here's the video and I'm just going to click play and we're going to see what we've got.
Hello, good morning.
Now I'm going to take off the original text and I'm going to have the translated text and I'm going to go for black text. There we are. And in fact, I'd like a background color so it stands out. These are essentially my subtitles. Let's just have a quick look at this.
Okay, this time.
The position is a bit low. I wonder if I can change the position slightly. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's very large. Okay. I think I might need to make that a bit smaller. Oh, that's big, isn't it? So I'm going to drop that down a little bit. And I can go through other things like orientation, audio. I'm going to go full on 100% and I could, if I want, add some music, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to click save and now I'm going to click render. So again, I'm going to wait for that to render and I'm going to come back when that's done. So that took around 2 minutes 50 seconds and we can see we've got our video and it will now download. So I'm going to preview it and then we're going to see what that sounds like.
Hello, good morning. Okay, this time I want to go out to look for macro objects for graphic photos again, looking for objects, friends.
That worked. I mean, I don't know how accurate the transcription was, but it did work. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dub the same video into Hindi just to check if that works. So it might be that Dubmaster AI actually works and you can download things and for whatever reason, the bugs that must have been there at the start weren't there anymore. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to just save and render. So I'm going to come back once the video is ready. So the video has finished rendering or doing whatever it needs to do, and you can see there is no download or preview. So when I dub into Hindi, for whatever reason, it just doesn't work. Dubbing into English seems to work, and I've not gone and tried any more variations of initial language and dub language, but I can see it does work when you dub a video into English from Indonesian, but it does not work when you dub the video from Indonesian into Hindi or from English into Hindi. I do wonder whether the product works for certain languages and not for others, but it's certainly an interesting outcome to find out. If you want to watch the original review, you can see it here. Thank you. Goodbye.